Government of India decided to set up a knowledge commission, especially with keen interest from Prime Minister, to really build the skill sets that India would need in the 21st century. So we focused on 5 areas of knowledge: access to knowledge, knowledge concepts, knowledge creation, knowledge applications, knowledge services. Based on that, we have lots of activities going on today in the country. In the last plan, we invested almost $70 billion on education. To me, 11th plan in India was all about education, education, education. Number of universities have increased. We have launched a national mission on skill development. All of these are huge initiatives. But many of these things take a decade to see meaningful results. After that, we built a national knowledge network to connect 1,500 nodes with 40 gigabit bandwidth, to connect all our universities, all our R&D labs to improve collaboration and research and development. This is being built at the cost of almost a couple of $1 billion. Most of the knowledge network is already built, operational today. In addition, we are building a massive network to connect 250,000 local governments to optical fiber. And that is going to cost us about $6-7 billion. Today in the country, we have about 1 million kilometers of optical fiber, mainly because of the growth in telecom. We are adding to this 400 to 450,000 kilometers of optical fiber for the last mile to connect panchayats. In addition to this, we are creating platforms. Nandan Nilekani is creating platform for ID. 350 million people have already been documented on the ID platform. We hope by end of the year, we'll have another few hundred million. Dr. Ramaswamy and Dr. Kasturirangan are working on national GIS platform. We have cyber security platform, data centers, application platform that Dr. Gaurala and the group is working on. Sum total, we have about 10,000 software people in the government working on building this platform. And this government would spend close to 100,000 crores in building this huge digital platform, which is unique. No one in the history of any other country has been able to build a platform like this, mainly because our requirement is very large. Once this platform is built, I think we will have a whole new instrument to begin to change education, health, governance, financial services, agriculture, because web and internet at the end of the day brings new business models, new opportunities, and new ways of doing things. With internet, we have new learning models to deal with. And these are the tools for the young generation. And we are a country of a young people. So I am very hopeful that when all of these things come together, we will have huge potential for new growth. And this is not going to be temporary for 1 or 2 years. It will really drive the whole future.